Jeep's moderate-size SUV, the Cherokee, gets another turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-four motor, another face, and various changes as a major aspect of a broad rousing for the 2019 model year. The discretionary new turbocharged inline-four motor conveys 270 HP and 295 pound-feet of torque, and joins the standard 180 HP 2.4-liter i4 motor conveying 170 pound-feet of torque and a normally suction 3.2-liter V6 conveying 271 HP and 239 pound-feet of torque in the Cherokee's new motor lineup. Every one of the three motors are mated to a 9-speed programmed transmission with new working programming to enhance execution, and every motor is furnished with stop-begin innovation to expand fuel productivity. The Cherokee's polarizing front belt has been overhauled, with the daytime running lights and LED headlights merged into a solitary unit, rather than the stacked outline in the past model. The hood and 7-opening grille additionally get a makeover for 2019. In the back, another liftgate configuration has a discretionary without hands programmed opening component that is enacted with a foot wave underneath the guard, while new backlighting is wrapped with what Jeep calls an element light, a thin red band of LED lighting highlighting the stop, turn, and support lights. 3 crawls of extra lodge width enable Jeep creators to settle a typical grumbling about the past adaptation, that it was excessively restricted, making it impossible to convey things, for example, golf clubs without dropping the second push seats. The additional space adds 27 extra cubic feet to the lodge. Specialists retooled the Cherokee's all-wheel drive frameworks too for the 2019 model. The base active drive one utilizes another, lighter back drive module for included productivity, while the active drive 2 and active drive lock are utilized as a part of heavier rough terrain applications. The Trailhawk rough terrain trim now gloats an enhanced creep proportion of 51.2:1. The 2019 Cherokee will be accessible in U.S. dealerships starting in the principal quarter, FCA US said. It will come in 5 trim levels: Latitude, Latitude Plus, Limited, Overland and Trailhawk. Valuing was not reported.